Hello guys, this is Nitin from Expert 101. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily add product listing or collection products into your blog post, where you can show you and showcase the feature product according to your blog. And this is a pretty much straightforward coding, and I have created a dedicated repository to follow from there, and you can easily follow step by step and you can get it done, right? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So the basically this code is for the Dawn theme, but we can easily modify that and use it in any theme, right? This is the code. Let's follow it, right? Just go to the themes and edit that code from there. Locate the article template and the section of it. You can see this is template. This is the section where we want to modify, right? Main article, and you can see and locate that where is the content from coming from. This is the article content, and just simply go to here, just copy that code from here, right, and replace it with that, right? So basically this basically is what is doing right now is just checking the specific code which is we are going to add that in the blog post, right? And we can show the product listing, right? Before that we have to add some of the supporting code that is here only for the Dawn theme, because we are going to use the code from the existing theme. So we are going to replace that, right? Just place it over here. So this code is basically for the component card, for the card products and the pricing slider and the quick add, and just simply save that, and we can move it on the blog post here, right? We can add like show HTML, and like we want to place the product listing here above the conclusion, like adding an S2 products. And in the code here you can see this is the particular method that you need to follow, like this, and place it here and double place it here, and just simply add the forwarding slash, and now you just need to copy the product handles. Like I'm going to show you how you can do that. Like this is the 3-4 products. This is the product handle. Copy it and place it within the code and separate it by the comma. You can easily separate by the comma from there, and just paste it here, paste it, comma, paste it, and the last one here, comma, and that's it. Make sure to use the comma for best result, right? And save it. It won't be showing the code in the front end, but it's just for the references. And just go over there and refresh the page. Yeah, you can see it, right? This is the code from there. You can simply add a product from there as well. It will be adding the product directly into the cart, and like this, right? In this code I can explain you how it's working, right? So in this code, we are just dividing the first parameter and the last parameter. We are going to show that code, and in this code I just render the card product, and use the default value from there, right? It's just pretty much straightforward tutorial to follow it, right? If you're facing any issue you can let me know. I'm adding in the repository link in my description as well. You can check it out. Thanks. Bye.